Everyone wants a GoPro, but not everyone wants to drop $400 or $500 on one. Enter the Akaso EK7000. It's one of the most popular budget action cameras on the market, promising 4K video for a fraction of the price. But is it actually a hidden gem or just a cheap toy? Let's get into it. First impressions? It's tiny. Without the case, it's incredibly lightweight, almost to the point of feeling a bit hollow. It's a classic brick design with a simple 4-button layout. You've got a 2-inch screen on the back, which is bright enough, but keep in mind, on this base model, it is not a touchscreen. You'll be navigating menus the old-fashioned way. It feels sturdy enough for the price, but you'll definitely want to keep it in that waterproof housing if you're doing anything remotely action-oriented. On paper, the specs look great. 4K at 30 FPS and 20 megapixel photos. But here's the honest truth. The 4K isn't quite the true 4K you'd see from a flagship. It lacks electronic image stabilization, EIS. So if you're mounting this to a mountain bike or running with it, the footage is going to be shaky. I actually recommend dropping down to 1080p at 60 FPS. The movement is much smoother and the file sizes are easier to manage. In broad daylight, the colors are surprisingly vivid, but like most budget sensors, it struggles in low light, where you'll start to see some grain or noise in the shadows. This is where Akaso honestly wins. In the box, you get a literal mountain of accessories. We're talking helmet mounts, bicycle stands, clips, and a waterproof housing rated for 100 feet. They even throw in a wrist remote, which is a lifesaver when the camera is mounted out of reach. If you were to buy all of these separately for a GoPro, you'd spend more than the cost of this entire camera. Battery life is another pro. You get two 1050 mAh batteries right in the box. Each one gives you about 70 to 90 minutes of recording, depending on your resolution. Having that second battery ready to go means you can actually get through a full day of shooting without stressing about a power bank. So, what's the final word? The Akaso EK7000 isn't a professional cinema tool. The audio is just okay. Steady hand or a fixed mount. However, if you're a beginner, a student, or someone who just wants a crash cam they aren't afraid to lose at the bottom of a lake, this is an incredible value. It's easy to use, the accessory kit is unbeatable, and for under $70, it gets the job done. It's not a GoPro killer, but it's definitely a budget king. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more technology-related unboxings and reviews. Peace.